Our next thing is going to be getting that intake on, but I got to remove all this tape and clean this stuff off first. And as you can see, it doesn't come off the cleanest. So let's get going. All right, let's start getting this put into place. All right, so I went to the hardware store thinking I had a little bit of time and to get a couple of bolts for this intake install, and now it's starting to rain and I've got that engine exposed with just a small blanket on it. So I've got to haul butt back home and get this dang intake installed before it starts pouring. So, sorry about the first meeting. Whoa! See, so this guy's an idiot. So that was your drink and drive. But, anyways, I think that intake will be installed today, which will be great. And hopefully we can get some progress and start the wiring process later this week. So, we'll see. Alright, well, it's definitely raining out right now. So, I'm going to go ahead and get the plugs inserted into this, the bottom of the intake. For now, we're just going to use these bolts. Plugs are on order from Amazon, so until then, we'll just use these. Hopefully, we have the right kind. They seem not work for now. Well, that sucks. I wonder what size they really are. Alright, well, in order to make sure we get this stuff done on, I'm going to go ahead and be hand tightened for now. And then taped over. So then we'll install each one of these. So the reason I'm trying to work fast is, like I said, it is raining out right now. Not ideal for what we have going on. So let's maybe toss on a little music while we're waiting, or while we're working.
Research shows nostalgia can help you remember ads. So customize and save with Liberty Mutual.
So once I get all these in, I'm going to put a little RVT on.
Spectrum is bringing you seamless connectivity across all your devices with our best deal ever. Get Spectrum One with Spectrum Internet delivering speeds of...
They don't get any more water in there. Sweet. size. Awesome. Awesome. Almost got it. Sweet. All right. Okay, so it's on. It's not torqued down. It's because I torqued up that bit pretty good, but kind of ran the throttle cable. I'm going to go ahead and put the fuel line in right now. Should run to our fuel pump and filter right there. And we'll call it a day since it's raining. Maybe I get ready for the Super Bowl. So let's go.